Hello guys, this is teacher Rizalie. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a fake Haybales. So I'm doing voiceover because our school is quite noisy. So let's have the materials. First the box, and then scissors, and let's have the color paper. It's like color beige, or this is the closest color of the Haybales we have. And then we have the rope, and then of course the scissors to cut into thin strips the papers, or if you have a shredder, so you can use that. Of course the glue, better if you use the big glue, so it's easier to spread out the glue on the box. And then okay, let's start. First is we have to cover the box with the colored paper. Yes, like that. So just put a lot, generous amount of glue, and then cover it nicely. Cover the box nicely. You have to cover the sides of the boxes. Just leave one side of the box, which is the floor side, so because we don't have to put any Haybales on that side. Okay, so let's make it fast to move forward to the next step. Okay, I'm done covering the sides of the box, and I told you earlier that you have to leave only one side of the box, which is the floor side, because we don't need to put any Haybales on that side. So the next step is you have to put a glue, spread out the glue so that we can stick on the paper strips on the side of the box. We're done putting glue on one side of the box, so let's have the paper strips. We have to put a lot so it won't stick out right away, and also it would look very realistic. So you have to put like that, top top top. Alright, it should be look like this. I'm done with the first side, so I'm going to finish all the sides of the box. Okay, finally the last step is to tie the rope. So let's tie the rope. So I'll show you the finished product with the rope like that. So this is the final product of a fake Haybale. So it's nice, right? It's beautiful. So if you don't have a real Haybale, so the alternative is this one. So look at that. So I finished 5 boxes. So all right, see you. Thank you for watching. Bye.